Hi, this is Vinod from Spyro Solutions. Now I am going to explain about remote patient monitoring system using embedded technology. Main object of this project is we are going to monitor the patient status using wirelessly like Zigbee or Bluetooth, and also using GSM technology. In the existing system, the status of patient is monitored by using it manually. That means the doctor has to go around that patient and monitor the current status. Then only they can know the current status of patient. That is the main drawback of existing system. In this proposed system, the doctor can know the patient status using remote technology. That's a Bluetooth or mobile communication technology. Now I am going to show the block diagram of this project. This project consists of two block diagrams. One is the transmitter section, second one is the receiver section. In the transmitter section should be attached with the patient. It consists of ECG sensor and temperature sensor. That patient ECG level and temperature is monitored by using the corresponding sensors and given to ADC circuit, and using ADC circuit we can convert the ADC analog value into digital format and fed to 8051 microcontroller. And this microcontroller analyzes that values, ECG values and temperature values, and send the data using Bluetooth to remote monitoring section. The receiver end receives the data and upload with PC. Whenever it is normal, no problem. If that sensor values gets abnormal, that microcontroller automatically send the message to remote doctor using mobile communication technology. For that we use a GSM modem to send the particular message to particular doctors. The main advantage of this project is we are going to use a Bluetooth in this project. If we are using the Bluetooth, we can get the accurate data and also more security. That is the main application of this project.